How to recover Yahoo account without phone number or email. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that if there is a way to recover your Yahoo account without your phone number or email. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the official site of Yahoo. So it will be like yahoo.com. So from here you'll have to tap on that sign in option, and after you on the sign in section you'll be able to sign in with your email or mobile number. So from here you can also sign in with your Google account. So if you not remember your username, you can go through the sign in with Google. So if you are not able to find your phone number or email, after you tap on this forgot username, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here you'll have to give your sign in email address, recovery phone number and recovery email address. So there is no any such way to recover Yahoo account without phone number or email. So on the supplement method you can do this. So for that you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like help. So simply tap on it. Alright, so after you open the help center of Yahoo, you might be recover your Yahoo account without the phone number or email. So for that you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like contact us. So simply tap on that, and now from here you'll have to select account, and on the another section you'll have to enter your Yahoo ID. So from here you can give your credential to recover your Yahoo account, and as usual you can also go with that option chat. So it will appear at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on that. Alright, so now from here you can make a conversation to Yahoo Help Center. So from there you might be able to recover your Yahoo account without the phone number or email. So this is the process. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.